A lot of people still think medicinal mushrooms are just some wellness trend, but researchers are continuing to publish studies that show that these fungi have some serious biological effects. A brand new study with a mushroom called black Maitake and its effects against melanoma cells and aggressive skin cancer is insane. Let me be clear, this wasn't a human study, it was a laboratory study using melanoma cells, but the findings were still very, very interesting. The researchers found that Maitake extract reduced melanoma cell viability in a dose-dependent manner. So, in simple terms, the more effective doses they used, the more cancer cells dies. And what caught my attention was that the mushroom appears to induce something called apoptosis, which is programmed cell death. And it's one of the ways the body removes damaged or dangerous cells. And the researchers also observed mitochondrial depolarization, which sounds very complicated, but here's what it means. Cancer cells rely very heavily on mitochondrial energy systems to survive and multiply, and the mushroom appeared to disrupt that system. Even more interesting, when they combined Maitake extract with a chemotherapy drug, the combination appeared to work better than chemotherapy alone. The combination also reduced the migration of melanoma cells in what's called a wound healing assay. This matters because migration is associated with how aggressively cancer spread, and in 3D tumor models, which mimic real tumors more accurately than flat cell cultures, the treatment caused major structural disruption. So again, this does not mean Maitake cures cancer and nobody should replace it with the medical treatment, but studies like this help us understand why mushrooms are receiving so much attention. And that's why I find mushrooms so fascinating, not because they're magic, but because nature continues to surprise us with how biologically active these compounds are.